Hello my dear cuties, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about letter L. The sound of letter L and few words that starts with letter L. This is a capital L. This is a capital L. This is a lowercase l. This is a lowercase l. The sound of letter L is la. The sound of letter L is la. So, come let's see few words that starts with letter L. L for lion. Lion. L for lion. L for leaf. Leaf. L for leaf. L for lamp. Lamp. L for lamp. L for legs. Legs. L for legs. L for ladder. Ladder. L for ladder. L for lemon. Lemon. L for lemon. L for lock. Lock. L for lock. L for ladybug. Ladybug. L for ladybug. L for lotus. Lotus. L for lotus. L for lizard. Lizard. L for lizard. Come, let's see it again. L for lion. L for leaf. L for lamp. L for legs. L for ladder. L for lemon. L for lotus. L for lock. L for ladybug. L for lizard. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.